Let us unbox and review the Tecno Spark 10C. Inside the box you get the Tecno Spark 10C, a clear phone case, a Type-C cable and a 3-pin charging adapter, and a pair of wired earphones. One thing I like about this phone is the sleek, shiny design, but let's get to the more exciting specifications. It is powered by an octa-core processor and runs on the Tecno HIOS 8.6. And about the display, the Tecno Spark 10C has a 6.6-inch IPS LCD screen with a refresh rate of 90 Hz. It also comes with 128 gigs worth of storage and 8 gigs worth of RAM, allowing you to store all your files and media. The set of cameras is quite good. A 16 megapixel wide, 0.08 megapixel depth on the rear. Alongside it is an 8 megapixel wide selfie camera, allowing you to take all your selfies, all your videos, and a 1080p resolution. Looking for a budget phone to buy? You should consider buying the Tecno Spark 10C. Where can you get it? You can head over to www.phoneplacekenya.com or go to our physical store at the Bazaar Plaza, Mezzanine 1, Unit 5 and get your phone today.